If you're looking to use Telegram on your Windows PC, whether for chatting, managing groups, or just enjoying a bigger screen, here's a quick step-by-step guide to get you set up. First, open your preferred browser, Google Chrome, Microsoft, Edge, or whatever you use them. Head over to the official Telegram website. Just type telegram.org into the search bar and hit enter. Once you're on the site, you'll see a big button that says install or something similar. Go ahead and click that. So start downloading the Telegram installer. Now here's a neat part: Telegram will automatically redirect you to the Microsoft Store on your Windows computer. The download and installation will start in the background, so you don't have to do anything except wait a couple of minutes. When it's done installing, go to your Start menu, and under All Programs you'll find Telegram listed there. Click on it to open the app. When the Telegram window opens, you'll be greeted with a Start Messaging button. Click on that to begin the login process. Next, you'll see a QR code on the screen. If you already have Telegram set up on your phone, just open the mobile app, scan the code, and boom, you're instantly logged into your Telegram account on your computer. Synced with all your chats. Now, if you don't have Telegram on your phone, no worries. Just click on or log in using your phone number. Telegram will ask for your number, then send you a one-time verification code via SMS. Enter the code, and you're in. And that's it. You've successfully installed and set up Telegram on your Windows device. Now you can message, join groups, and manage everything right from your desktop. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.
Thanks for watching.